Welcome back to another backtesting session. So you can see last session was 100% win rate. 100%. Like, oh my God. Anyways, let's get into a new session. Guys, if you are interested to see how I trade, how I go about analyzing price action, this is literally the video for you. I can't stress it enough. Oh my God. So let's get right into it. So let's just, honestly, bro, let's go from here, honestly. Yeah, I like last month's price action. All right, let's get into it. So daily time frame. What are we doing? Bang, bang, bang. We are in an uptrend. Okay, so we have this gap right below. So honestly, daily gap, we could retrace lower, tapping inside and pushing up higher. That would be very nice. Go to the 4-hour time frame. We are inside of this gap. Ooh, we're inside of this gap on the 4-hour. Take out internal, get that sweep, push up higher. Possibility. Okay, first of all, let's go to new day open. Oh my God, we ended up doing exactly what I just said. Overnight. Okay, so we're going to be pushing up higher than today. Daily looks very strong. 4-hour time frame looks good. Maybe we can get a retrace inside of this gap, pull higher. That would be nice. Daily looks very strong. Okay. Yeah, definitely continuations. Continuations look really nice here. We can get a pull lower inside. Inside of this 15, that would be very strong too. We're going to rip higher, okay. Any retrace over here would be nice. Any form of a retrace. Come on, give it to me. Ooh. Ooh. This looks nice. This looks nice. Bang. Okay. We have a 5-minute above over here. You have to be a little careful about that. Do we have... We don't even have a earlier entry, bro. We don't have an earlier entry at all. Okay, so it'll have to be this 5-minute. Yeah, I'm taking this. This is light, easy, money in the bank. Let's take that bank. TP. Oh, we should actually go break even here, but it's a little early for break even though. I would wait it a bit. Chop, chop, chop. Okay, now we definitely have to go break even. Come on, bro. Give me that TP. Wow. Did we end up going higher? Brother. Come on. Okay, anyways. Got break even, whatever. Daily time frame, pushing up higher. Little gap over here. Okay. Okay, let's check 4-hour time frame. What are we doing? 4-hour time frame. We are ripping higher. We do have this little gap below, so that is something to keep in mind. Hourly time frame. Okay, we actually might get a long at open. Honestly, yeah. I would take this. We're respecting this gap. This looks really, really, really good. We have all-time highs above. How's a 30-minute looking? 30 minutes looking beautiful as well. Oh my God. Okay, yeah. I think I have to take this. Yeah, I have to take this. The only thing I'm scared about is that new week opening gap below. We might come back into it. Yeah, that's break even. Oh my God, bro. What's up with this chop fest? Yo. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. New session. Okay. 2 break evens. My God. Okay, so we are still pushing up higher. 4-hour time frame. What are we doing? 4-hour time frame. We have this gap below. That's something to keep in mind. 1-hour time frame. Doesn't look that good, to be completely honest. Honestly, kind of neutral on the day. We can either go higher or we can just start pushing lower. Honestly, I wouldn't mind these lows getting taken, to be completely honest, but they were going to push higher here. Okay, if we can get a retrace inside of this gap, I think this would be a nice trade. Pushing up higher. Wow, okay. No retrace at all. That's crazy. Okay, 1 hour time frame. What are we doing? Still pushing up higher. 4 hour time frame? You don't have any gaps. Daily time frame? No gaps. Okay. 30-minute? Honestly, neutral again. Okay. Give me a retrace, bro. Holy shit. No retraces. Oh my god. Hourly time frame. What are we doing? Come on. Give me a trade over here. Give me a TP trade. Okay, if we were to come lower though. If we were to come lower, we'll most likely get a trade. But we're just gonna rip higher once again. Oh my. Okay, tap inside this gap at least, bro. Give me something. Give me that fill. Okay, I'll take this. A little bit of a chop fest, can't lie. You have trendline liquidity below. That is something to be careful about. Okay, wait, let's actually review this a bit. So daily time frame, obviously very bullish. 4 hour time frame, very, very bullish. We could come lower down to here. I don't want to see that happen though. We have a lots of trendline liquidity. We have all-time highs above, which we actually previously just took. Okay. This is a bit of a tricky trade. Bit of a tricky one. 15 minutes just chopping, but we did tap inside of this. Did we respect it? Wait a minute. Yeah, we did. And we closed that 5-minute. Honestly, discretionary, I'll take it. Oh, that actually should have been break even up here. That should have been break even, actually. Okay. My god, bro. This is honestly a very hard session. Okay, we ended up coming lower. Okay. We have this gap over here. Come a bit lower. Very nice. Okay, we get this 1 minute, which we do. Yeah, I can take this. Stop loss at the lows. TP for a 1-to-1. And I'm going to be targeting mainly these stacked highs up here. That is guaranteed a break-even point that we would have to go at. There you go. Come on. Just give me the TP, please. Yo! Bro, they don't want to see us win. Oh my god. They just don't want to see us win. Okay, so we're tapping inside of this daily over here, though. Could very easily start seeing a retrace. Maybe get a re-entry over here, actually. Okay, no. But they don't want to see us win. They just simply don't want to see us win. Bro, give me this 5-minute. I'll take this any day. Give me the 5-minute closure. We're ripping lower. It's 11 o'clock again, bro. Wow, I didn't pick a good date at all, honestly. Okay, 4 hour time frame. Let's see what we're doing. tapping inside of this gap. 10 o'clock is going to be the truth teller. 1 hour time frame, what are we doing? Honestly, looking a little bearish. Okay, yeah. If we can see a pull higher inside these gaps, we fulfill this, we definitely want to be bullish today. Yeah. Give me a nice retrace. That is what I want to see. Very nice. Okay. So we got this 1 minute closure over here. This could be an entry. And I think it will be an entry. Only thing is this. I think I'll want to wait for this candle closure up here. Ooh, that was a good decision. Okay. That was a really good decision. Yeah, if we can get this 4 minute, I'll take it. Yeah. Okay. I can take this then. Wow, that would have been a crazy stop rate though. Aim for that 1-to-1. Give me that break even. And finally, give me my TP that I was well deserved. Thank you. I was about to say. I was about to trip. I was about to jump out my window. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways. Okay, yeah. Sorry for the little jump cut, bro. I was not able to find any other trades. So not to make the video too long. Hopefully this made sense. I hope you got some knowledge you're able to pull out of this. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments. I'm going to be making more videos like this, just completely unraw, like cut, just to show like the real world of trading. So I hope you guys like this backtesting session. Again, if you want to trade live with me one-on-one, I know this was kind of like a break-even session, but bro, like there's so many TPs would have got hit, then of course I got break-even. Anyways, if you want to trade live with me though, I live trade every single day, Monday to Friday. And I also have one-on-one calls all inside of my Discord. So join down below. And honestly, guys, hope you have a good rest of your day. Peace.